In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap that connects Trello to QuickBooks using Zapier. Zapier is a no-code automation tool that links your favorite apps together so they pass information automatically. In this setup, Trello will act as the trigger, which means something that happens in Trello will kick things off, and QuickBooks will be the action, the part that performs a task based on that trigger. Think of it as when this happens in Trello, do that in QuickBooks. Start by going to the Zapier website in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. On the main dashboard, look for the Create button. Click it, then choose the option to create a new Zap. This opens the Zap editor, where you'll configure everything. At the top of the editor, begin with the Trigger section. Click where it prompts you to select a trigger app. In the search bar, type Trello, and when Trello appears in the results, click it. You'll then be asked to choose a trigger event. This is the specific moment in Trello that will start your automation. For example, you might use a new card created, a card moved to a list, or a new checklist item. Pick the event that best matches your process. Next, connect your Trello account. Click the button to connect and follow the authorization prompts. Make sure you choose the correct Trello workspace or boards you plan to use and grant Zapier the permissions it needs to read the relevant data. If you work across multiple Trello boards, it helps to have them clearly named so you can select the right one quickly. Once the trigger app and event are set and your Trello account is connected, move down to the Actions section. Click to add an action. In the search field, type QuickBooks, then select QuickBooks Online from the list. You'll be asked again to choose an event, this time for what you want QuickBooks to do when the Trello trigger fires. Common examples include creating an invoice, creating a customer, or adding a sales receipt. Select the action that aligns with your workflow. Now connect your QuickBooks account. Click to connect, sign in, and authorize Zapier to access the QuickBooks company you intend to use. If you manage more than one company, double check you're linking the correct one. That's the core setup. Trello is defined as your trigger app, QuickBooks is set as your action app, and both accounts are securely connected. From here, you can continue customizing fields and logic to match your exact needs, but the foundation is in place and ready for your automation.